Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. So we've obviously stepped into a glorious lake of performance and luxury. And what did she say about this car?
That is not your granddaddy's caddy.
By the way, this is T1. The way you know it's T1, it's smooth on the back. The other one has a little tape or something on it.
Oh, it has a little barcode thing.
That's two. There's one. The way you, now, I could ask you.
Hey.
I mean, at least I'm honest. I would rather do it the right way.
This is the Cadillac ATS-V with a twin turbo V6, 450 horsepower.
I will see you tomorrow. Just call me, let me know when you're on way, and I'll make sure it happens.
I appreciate it very
Thank
much.
you. Full tank of gas, you're good to go. All right?
Appreciate it very
Enjoy.
much.
Y'all have a great night. Thank you.
What do you think of that? Okay, what we have stepped into is the Cadillac ATS-V, twin turbo V6, 450 horses, Recaro upgrade seats, heated steering wheel. We don't even know what's on this thing yet. Heads-up display. You know, it's got the whole carbon fiber package. And Miss Christina gets to drive it first because we brought two cars, so I'm gonna let her have it first. Tell us what you think, babe. Oh, but first, let's come back here while you hit the throttle. Hit it. What do you think?
Sounds really good for a V6.
V6, this lame V6 with 450 kittens in there. Jesus, what have we done? Paddle shifters. Heated, yeah, what did I say? I already said heated steering wheel. It's got 40,000 miles on it. It's what, a 16? This is 16, 2016. It is beautiful. It came from the same dealership where we just bought it. It's where it was originally sold, from Capital Cadillac in Smyrna, Georgia, and we're going to work with them doing some videos also. Capital Cadillac, one of the oldest Cadillac dealers in the United States, and that's where this car originally came from. Yeah, they fully serviced it, new brakes, new tires, they did everything before they even sold it. So this thing is, unfortunately, it's raining right now, so that's kind of gay. That happened the last time I bought a new car.
The stereo sounds good.
I hear some bass going on in there. Jesus, what have we done? It's got sport modes and touring modes, and we don't even know what all it can do yet.
Where's the volume? Oh, probably here.
Yeah,
I see.
I have no idea.
Oh,
We don't
yeah.
even know how to use this thing yet.
Right, when you hit the volume, it says audio volume there at the...
There you go. Wow.
Yeah, right there.
It's got track modes, and it's a hot freaking fuel efficient car, mind you. There you go.
It was on, okay, snow and ice, track, sport, tour.
There you go. Yeah.
Super nice. Track.
So regular touring mode probably softens the suspension and softens the gear shifting.
And saves gas.
And this thing gets up to 28 miles per gallon. Believe that, which is actually part of why this is all happening. I wanted something fuel efficient that still looked great. Twin turbo V6, people. I like V8s and all, but this thing that comes with a ATS-V that's a 600 horsepower model that's too much. I already had a ZL1 Camaro and it was too much. Too much power, you can't use it. Been there, done that. Almost killed myself twice in that car. Carbon fiber everywhere. This is all an upgrade package that came on it. Twin exhaust. It's just a freaking hot car. That's all there is to it. But unfortunately, it's getting rained on. And we'll get the windows tinted. Freaking sweet. Alright. So let's do a little drive back then. Get something to eat and celebrate.
Let's do it.
Alright, so if you've noticed, we basically sold all of our vehicles except the Ford Taurus X, the little wagon. I got videos on that. And quite honestly, I wanted something fuel efficient that was still great performance, and we wanted to move up to something that had some luxury. So the Cadillac ATS-V, this little guy right here, won the contest for me, basically. And it is bad to the bone, and it freaking looks unassuming at first. You know, you look at it and you say, oh, well, what is this little thing? Some regular old sedan wagon thing, whatever. No, that thing is bad to the bone. I initially wanted the CTS-V, which is the V8 model, but honestly, it's just too much horsepower, and that's the honest truth. It's got too much. 600 horsepower in that thing is not controllable, because my ZL1 that I had a couple of years ago is too much. I mean, it really is a dangerous car, because the tires can't handle it. And I had to put Nito Invos on that thing. That helped a good bit, but once you get beyond 600 horsepower in these cars, they're honestly really a handful. So I wanted something in the 400 range of horsepower. That thing's got 450 horses in a stupid V6 twin turbo. Can you believe that? I can't believe it, personally, that they get that kind of performance out of just a lame V6. It's unbelievable. And really luxurious. It's got the Recaro seats inside. Smells great, you know. I've had too many old cars lately, and I wanted something better. And it's going to be a great video project too. Totally awesome. Here she comes, the lovely Christina. You're gonna drive her first. Yes. I was on the fence for literally weeks on what car I wanted. I mean, I was all over the place with V8s, SUVs, sports sedans. You know, I mean, I was up late at night trying to decide what do I want. I mean, you know, because it was kind of no limit. You know, I wanted something nice that's still hot. Of course, it's raining as soon as we leave the freaking dealership. Make sure you check out Capital Cadillac in Smyrna, Georgia. We're going to start doing some review videos and reveal videos from that. That's one of the better Cadillac dealerships on the whole East Coast. Award-winning and whatnot. So we'll put links to their site and information and all that. Make sure you see John in internet sales if you're looking for a Cadillac, or they sell other used cars as well. In fact, right now, you know, in late 2021, it's hard to find a new car anywhere. You know, they can't get the microchips for the freaking things, so they can't produce new cars. So it's kind of ridiculous. So yeah, it's really ridiculous. If you want to buy a brand new car right now, they're hard to find. You know, we drive by all these dealerships and they may have 10 to 30 cars on their lot when they used to have 110 to 130. This Cadillac dealer is no different. All they had are a few XTSs and XT5 SUVs, a couple of CTS standard models, you know, but as far as something good in a brand new car, nobody has them. So we went a couple of years older on this car. It is, you know, like I said, originally purchased from that dealership, serviced only at that dealership. I found it unbelievable when we were looking at the Carfax on it. It's like, wow, this thing has not even left the Smyrna, Georgia area, which is near Marietta where we live. So it's like crazy. It doesn't get any better. Totally clean Carfax. All services done on time. You know, it's like, it's what you want when you look for a used car. And we found it. Totally pleased with it. And it hadn't even driven it but a couple of miles. So yeah, if you've been watching the channel, I was really bummed out, you know, the 1990 Chevy K1500 that I worked so hard on to upgrade and improve and make better and, you know, just do a lot of great things to. Totally quit on me a year and a half ago. I went through tons of stuff to try and get it going again, and it just wasn't happening. So I totally just wrote it off and said, I can't do it. It killed my spirit. Sold it to a guy down near Noonan, Georgia, south of Atlanta. He was tickled to death about it, even though he knows it needs, you know, some attention to get it running again. And then, you know, I had the Hummer H3 Alpha that we've had since January. Great truck, liked it a lot, but horrible gas mileage, just hideous. And I don't need an SUV. This stupid thing that I'm in right now, the 2008 Ford Taurus X, is honestly my SUV. Because it's got tons of cargo space back there, can haul 7 people. I can put stuff inside it without worrying about it getting wet or rained on or stolen or whatnot. I got a trailer hitch on it so I can tote the trailer, you know, for the dirt bikes and motorcycles with it. This is my SUV. And so the Hummer really was unnecessary. That's the honest truth about that. So, guy came all the way from Auburn, Alabama, who's a total Hummer guy. I mean, he's a complete Hummer nut, that guy. And he came with a buddy of his who's also a Hummer nut, and they were tickled to death that they found that Hummer H3 in solar flare metallic. They were really happy, which is the bottom line. Here she comes. And after, you know, considering so many different cars, I mean, I'm a V8 guy at heart. Y'all know that. Loved V8s. They're totally awesome. But there really aren't that many out there in a decent price range that gets decent gas mileage. In an American car too, because if you look at some of the you know, like the Mercedes AMGs and the Audis, the BMWs that have turbo V8s and all that, those are totally awesome cars, but extremely expensive maintenance and service. That was my main concern, is they just cost way too much to upkeep. And so those got, you know, sent to pasture as far as the ideas of what car to get. And honestly, the ATS-V is what we ended up with. And it is loaded inside, it's gorgeous, it's sporty, it's freaking fast as lightning. Holy crap. Too bad it's raining out, because when we came out of the parking lot to do the test drive, it is torquey. I was really surprised because it is a twin turbo 6. So when you come out and you lay on it, you better watch out, because when it's wet, it'll spin out on you. So but it's right where we wanted, you know, in performance and looks and luxury and price range. Because, I mean, it's kind of expensive, but it's not like ridiculous expensive. And, you know, we hope you guys like it because it's freaking cool. Awesome. Totally happy. So we're about to go out to eat and celebrate, and, you know, because it's been a really good week. And so we hope you check out other stuff on our channel. We got tons of things on our channel that's mostly dirt bike related, motorcycle related, drag racing, cars, trucks, sport vehicles, entertainment videos, you know, cool stuff. I like my channel. I really like it. I put a lot of effort into it. Christina helps out a lot, you know, because she's gorgeous. Her videos, you know, might be simple, but they work. And anyway, we're going to start doing review videos over at Capital Cadillac in Smyrna on cars that they get in. Because they got a few new ones like the CT5V and the CT4V that are going to be amazing cars coming out soon. But we'll do them for other cars they have also. So be on the lookout for some new and cool videos that we're about to be doing. And it won't be long. So keep a watch out for that stuff. And we'll be in touch. So signing off for now, Biker Dave and Christina signing off with the new Cadillac ATS-V. For victory. Have a great one. We'll see y'all. Hit it.